vlog, another day here in Ahmedabad. Today we are exploring Nal Sarovar, which is 50 kilometers from here, and I think it will take us around 1.5 hours to reach there. This is our first time there, so more information on that once we reach there. So let's go! Let's go. It's 1:30 right now, so hope to make it soon there. So we made it to Nal Sarovar. As soon as you make it, there is a ticket window where you have to go and buy the ticket. I'll give you the information on how much does it cost. So we paid 400 rupees for, the government has decided to take 400 rupees for 1 to 6 person and per vehicle, and for boating we'll have to pay different, alag se hum log will pay inside only. So there's boating only over here, so we are going there now. Also, this is what you can see from the parking area. Even the parking area is very pretty here. Also, there is a toilet there in the parking, so if you want to use it.
So I'm going to the toilet and I will show you how are the toilets out here. Not good, not good, not good. Very dirty. Apparently.
So we took the entry ticket and now we have to still go 2 more kilometers still inside to reach the boating area. We have hired a boat and it has costed us 5,000 rupees, and this lake is spread across 120 square kilometers and there are 360 islands on it, small, big, all. So we'll be going to one of them on the way, and also this is a bird sanctuary if I didn't mention until now, and we are going to spot a lot of birds here, different kinds of birds. So keep watching. I'll put up montages, we'll give you some information on the way, and by now what I see, it is a beautiful, beautiful place to be. Water is only 4 to 5 feet deep all around, so we can see the flora and fauna that's below the water also, and that is what's keeping the water clean and filtered. And the person that is driving our boat is giving us all the information while we are going around. So I'll give you a few information, but when you come here, the boat driver will give you all the information whenever you come here. See that bird there, that's purple heron, and his neck is like a snake, and when he flies off 100 foot above in air to catch. Also those are lesser flamingos, and now they are white. Winter is coming, but when it's summer they turn into pink color.
I read your nanny fish. I read nanny fish.
we have made it to the seagull point. We are looking for something to give them to eat.
આપણે છે ને પેલા
ગાંઠિયા.
પેકેટ તો લઈ જ લેવો જોઈએ.
What are you giving? Chevda.
એ નહીં લકડી.
Chevda. Giving them chevda to eat so that we can see them. Hey, seagulls are here.
Seagull. Seagull. Seagull.
And now we are going to the swimming point where we can get down the boat, take some photos. That is the greater flamingo. We made it to the swimming point.
This is flamingo out here. It's beautiful.
આવી ગઈ રે.
Krishna's specs.
Yes,
Saved the day.
This guy. So
All right, we are leaving the swimming point and now going to Kashmiri Jheel. Next point, Kashmiri Jheel.
flamingo ne bag de. Bye, flamingo. We have made it to the Kashmiri Jheel. We are here between the Vanaspati. Our boat is here. Let me give you a front view of it. This is our boat. We are right between the Vanaspati. And now leaving the Kashmir Jheel behind and going to Lotus Point. Lotus Point is our next. Let's go. No, this is wow, beautiful mala. That guy is so intelligent. He made it. He's so skillful.
Orma khili morning mein.
Acha. So this lotus blooms in the morning, but it is still such a beautiful sight. And now from here we are going to Vishala Island, where we'll spend some time, get down the boat again. We made it to the island, and now here they are serving Kathiawadi Jammanu, Kathiawadi food. So let's eat some of that and then continue. So the food is here. Gajre ka rotla, बैंगन का भरता, सेव टमाटर की सब्जी, and लहसुन या बटेटा. Yes, it's garam. And it's for 200 rupees. And the boatsman got us this basket made of weeds. Wow, Param, show. Yes. So, this is where we are, in the middle of water. This hole is Nal Sarovar, the blue part that you're seeing. And this is where we are. And it's 5:30 right now, and the scenery has become so beautiful. Wow. We are here during November, start of November, and we feel that this is the perfect time to visit. The birds are here, but not in a very huge number, but you can still find a lot of birds here. But the actual season will start in December, when the winter completely sets in. That's when the tourists start coming in. But this time in November, there are very less tourists, and you can actually enjoy the place all to yourselves. And it's very, very beautiful.
Enjoy the place, enjoy the food, enjoy the sunset,
Yeah.
and with your family. That's the bonus.
So on our way back, we have found this beautiful tree, and our boatsman has stopped the boat here, and we are taking these beautiful pictures over here.
And the beautiful sunset is happening. Unbelievably beautiful. And we are going back to the parking. That's it for Nal Sarovar. I don't know if we did justice to the place in our video, but it is so beautiful. It is a must visit. I thank you to our boatsman for showing us the birds, telling us about it. And definitely if you come to Nal Sarovar, the boatman will tell you all the information. आपका नाम क्या है भैया? Altaf Bhai. If you can find him here, row with him.
And if you want to see such vlogs more, please subscribe, like and share. Please share our vlogs. Thank you.